Namaste dear children. In our online class, we have started our discussion regarding converting or transforming a sentence which is in active voice to passive voice. So, this topic you have studied in your 8th standard and the rules relating to how to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice that you have written in detail in your grammar notebook, right? So, this year we will just have a revision over that topic. So, first of all, we have started with changing a sentence in simple tense, right? So, changing a sentence in simple tense from active voice to passive voice. So, already we have completed our discussion about how to change a sentence, okay? How to change an affirmative sentence in simple tense from active voice to passive voice that we have discussed in our online class. Okay, now we will move on to negative sentence. Okay, so changing a voice in a negative sentence. So the negative sentence which is in simple tense. You have understood what is a sentence in simple tense, right? So now we will move on to changing voice in a negative sentence. So here, what is a negative sentence? So negative sentence is a sentence in which you will find the negative words like not, never, like that. Okay. So we'll take the first example. Here I have written the sentence, I did not write a letter. Okay. I did not write a letter. So this not shows that this is a negative sentence. And when we see this word did in a sentence, okay, as a helping verb, then we have to understand that sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, so did write means what, children? Wrote. What is did write, children? Did write means, okay, did write means, children, wrote instead of saying wrote. So if I say I not wrote a letter. Okay, if I say I not wrote a letter, that will be a wrong sentence. What is the correct sentence here? I did not write a letter. So you all know that when we are changing a sentence in active voice to passive voice, what happens? The subject will become object and the object of the sentence will become the subject of the sentence. So here I, in this sentence, I is the subject and a letter is the object. So a letter, okay, a letter was not written by me. So while changing active voice to passive voice in a simple sentence, okay, we have to use which one? Be form of helping verb. So this sentence, I did not write a letter. This sentence is in simple past tense. That is why we are using helping verb was. Be form of helping verb was, which is the past tense form. Okay. So let us take the second sentence. The same sentence I have written in simple present tense. See here. I do not write. Okay. I do not write a letter. See, instead of did, I am using do here. Okay. I do not write a letter. See, I is first person. Okay. So that is why we will not use does here. We have to use do. I do not write a letter. It is changed. A letter is not written by me. Okay. So be form of helping verb. Is used here. So is the present tense form of your be form of helping verb. So written I am using here. It is past participle form, V3 form. Remember children, always in passive voice, always the main verb should be in which form? It should be there in the form of past participle, V3 form. Okay. Then let us move on to the next one. The same sentence I have written in future tense, simple future tense. See here, I shall not write a letter. Okay, I shall not write a letter. So here it is changed as a letter will not be. See here, a letter will not be. So be is the original form of be form of helping verb. So a letter will. Here I have used I shall. So with first person, we'll use the model shall. With second and third person, instead of shall, generally we use will. Okay. So you can even use I will. It will not be a wrong one, but generally we will do like this. Okay. So this is how a letter will not be written by me. So let us take another example. Second one. See here. My sentence is we did not teach you. Okay. My sentence is we did not teach you. So here we have did. That is why this is in simple past tense. Okay. So here we is the subject. It should become object. And you is the object. It should become subject. So you were not taught by us. Okay. So here were is used. You can see were. So be form of helping verb, past tense form. So with second person, okay, and third person plural, we have to use were in the past tense form. Okay. You were not taught by us. Then you cannot say you was. Okay. Then next one, the same sentence. We did not teach you. Same sentence I have written here in simple present tense. So we do not teach you. Okay. We is first person. That is why we have to use do, not does in present tense. Okay. So we do not teach you. Here it will be changed in this manner to passive voice. You are. See here, I am using are. You can see are here. I am using are here because this sentence, it is in simple present tense. Present tense and be form of helping verb. It's a form in present tense for plural, third person plural and first person and second person is are. Okay. For first person it is I am. Second person and third person plural are we have to use. So you are not taught by us. Then next one. So in simple future, I'll write the same sentence in this manner. We shall not teach you. Okay. So here we shall not teach you. It is changed in this manner. You will not be. Okay. You will not be taught by us. Here you can see taught V3 form. Taught again V3 form. Again taught V3 form. Helping verb there is change. In past tense be form were. In present tense be form are. In future tense it is in its original form be. Okay. Now let us take another example. Here this one I will take as the example. The cat did not catch the rat. Okay. So the cat did not catch the rat. Okay. So as you can find did here, you can come to the decision that this sentence is in simple past tense form. Okay. Now how to change, how to write this in passive voice. So here the cat is the subject and the rat is the object. According to the rule, the object becomes subject. No. So that is why the rat. Okay. So here you have did, no, past tense form. That is why we have to use past tense form of be form of helping verb. What are our be form of helping verb, children? In past tense. Okay. So be form of helping verbs. Be form of helping verbs. For past tense, we have was and were. For present tense, okay, for present tense we have is, am and are, and for future tense we will use be form of helping verb in its original form. It is be, no? So now past tense form, the rat. Okay, so was and were we have as rat. The rat is third person singular. We'll go with this one, was. Okay, the rat was. Okay, then not. Cat's past participle form is children, CAUGHT. The rat was not caught by the cat. Okay, now we'll write the sentence in present tense, simple present tense form. Yes, we have the cat. Did we have? No, here. So in the place of did, which one we have to use? So we have do form of helping verb, no? So do form of helping verbs. Which are the do form of helping verbs? So in past tense. In past tense it is did, right? In present tense, children, it is either does or do. Okay, it is either does or children it is do. I'll write does again. See, DOES, does. Okay, so here do. Do goes with first person, second person, third person plural. For third person singular we have to use does. Here the cat is third person singular. That is why we have to use this one, does. The cat does not, okay, CATCH, catch the rat. Now let us change. So the rat does not. So it is present tense form. So this is in simple present now. Okay, this is in simple present. So the rat is not caught. V3 form, no? CAUGHT. The rat is not caught by the cat. Okay, now third one, let us write the same in simple future tense. How shall we write it? The cat, okay, will not catch the cat will not catch the rat. Now this object will become subject, no? So we will write it like this. The rat, okay, will not, be form of helping verb in its original form, be. The rat will not be CAUGHT, V3 form of catch, caught by the cat. Okay, so this is how we have to change the sentence from active to passive in negative sentences. Okay, now let us continue with the next topic, that is changing voice in interrogative sentence. Okay. Sorry children. So here changing voice in interrogative sentence. So first I have taken the sentence. Did I write a letter? Okay. So did I write a letter? Here you can see did, no? So did write means wrote. Did I write a letter? I wrote a letter. If I ask like that, my sentence will be wrong. So that is why did I write a letter? How to change this to passive voice? Now, as it is in simple past tense, we have to use was. Okay. Our object here is a letter. That is why in passive voice it will become subject. Okay. Was a letter, V3 form of write is written, right? So was a letter written by me? Okay. Then the same sentence, it will be written in, it is written in simple present tense here. So do I write a letter? So I is first person, that is why I am using which one? Do, not does. Okay. Do I write a letter? So same, it is written in passive voice in this way. Instead of was here, present tense form of be form of helping verb for third person singular is. Okay. Is a letter written by me? Yes. Then next one, simple future. Shall I write a letter? Now it is changed in this way. Will a letter be written by me? Okay. So here a letter is third person. No, that is why I am using will. So I have already told you. See, you don't have to use shall with I always. It is not compulsory. It is generally used like that. Okay. So will a letter be written by me? In this way, you have to change the voice. Now, I have taken another sentence here. It is interrogative negative sentence. See here. Didn't we teach you? Didn't we teach you? So here, didn't. It is in simple past tense form. Now, it is changed in this way. Were you not taught by us? Okay. Were you not taught by us? It is one way of changing. You can even write like this. Weren't you taught by us? Weren't you is the short form of what, children? Were not. Okay. Instead of saying were not, you can say weren't. Okay. Weren't you taught by us? Next one, didn't. Instead of didn't, here simple present tense form. It is written in simple present tense form. Now, don't we teach you? Okay. Don't we teach you? So here it is changed in this manner. You, with you we have to use are. No. Aren't you taught by us? Okay. Aren't you taught by us? In this way it is changed. Next, in future tense, shall not we teach you? See here, shall not. Its short form is shan't. Okay, shan't. S-H-A-N, then apostrophe, then T. Shan't we teach you? So here it is changed in this manner. Won't you be taught by us? Won't you be taught by us? So V3 form. Your you was the object here, it became subject here, and we is the subject here and it became object in this sentence, right? So in this way we have to change. So I'll take another example. Did the cat catch the rat? So we'll change it. So did the cat catch the rat? So did. So it is in which form, children? It is in simple past tense form, right? So now let us change it to passive voice. Did the cat. So here the cat is the subject, the rat is the object. Object became subject. So the rat. The rat is the object. No, we can't start the sentence with rat here. It is a question sentence. No, that is why. So instead of did, we have to use was, because in passive voice we cannot use the words like did, do, does, like that. Okay. So was the rat V3 form caught by the cat. Okay. So here I am using was because it is in simple past tense. Now we'll write the same in simple present tense form. Instead of did, here I'll use does. Why I am using does here, children? See, we have learnt here. Okay. Do form of helping verb in case of present tense for third person singular. What we have to use? We have to use does. So here the cat is a singular word. That is why does the cat, okay, catch the rat? Does the cat catch the rat? Now its passive voice form is, instead of does, in present tense we have to use is, because the rat, it is singular, no? Singular third person. So is the rat, our object has to become subject. Is the rat catch? Okay, catch V3 form is caught. Is the rat caught by the cat? Okay, so this is how we are changing in simple present tense. Now let us move on for what, children? Future tense, simple future. Instead of does, what we have to use here? Will. Okay, will the cat catch the rat? So now the sentence is written in simple, children, future, right? It is written in simple future. Now it is here, it is written in simple present. Okay, so will the cat catch the rat? Now let us change it to passive voice. Now will, okay, the rat, okay, be form of helping verb in its original form in future tense. Okay, so will the rat be caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught by the cat? Okay, in this way we have to write. So in passive voice, what is compulsory, children? V3 form, main verb should be in V3 form itself. So in all the sentences you can see, okay. So here in simple past tense, okay. So here you can see caught. Then again in simple present tense you can see caught. Then in simple future also you can see caught, okay. But what is the difference? So in simple past you are using be form of helping verb in its past tense form. In the present tense you are using it in the present tense form, okay, present tense form. Then in future tense you are using it in its future, you are using it in its original form, right? So in this way you have to change. Children, you watch the video, watch it with patience, understand it and solve the given questions. Then again we will meet in our online classes. Is that okay? Thank you very much.